Hi everyone and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. Today I'm sharing my recipe for waffle sauce with you. This waffle sauce is rich and creamy and it's made with milk and flour and butter and vanilla. It's great on waffles and pancakes and it's a great substitution for maple syrup. So let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. For this recipe we are going to need 1/4 cup of flour, 3/4 cup of sugar, 2 cups of milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 2 tablespoons of butter. To get started, we're going to combine our sugar and our flour into a medium-sized saucepan. We're going to whisk this up and get it well combined. Now we're going to add in our milk. We're going to whisk this till we get a smooth consistency, and then we're going to head over to the stove. We're going to take our sugar, flour, and milk mixture, and we're going to put it on the stove. We're going to turn this to a medium heat, and we're going to cook it till it starts to thicken or bubble. Now as it's heating up, we're going to want to occasionally whisk it so that way we don't scorch the milk. And once it starts to cling onto the whisk like that, that's what we're looking for. We're going to shut off our heat. We're going to add in our vanilla. Get that stirred in. Our 2 tablespoons of butter. And pull this off the heat. Once that butter is melted, we're going to head back to the cutting board and we're going to give this a taste. To plate this, we're just going to throw our waffles on a plate. Get a nice drizzle of our waffle sauce all over it. And top this with some fresh berries. It's absolutely amazing. Let's pan out and get a taste of this. Alright, let's dig in. Let's get the perfect bite. A little bit of a waffle, some of the sauce. That looks good. It's got a real velvety mouth texture. It's rich, it's creamy. It's almost like the icing on top of a fresh glazed donut. If you enjoyed this recipe, hit that thumbs up button. You can also check us out on Facebook. If you want the waffle recipe, I'll drop a link in the description. Thanks for stopping in. We'll see you next time.